everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of peer-to-peer, P2P, and explore ways to make money online using P2P. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to diversify your online income streams, this step-by-step guide is for you. So, what is P2P? In simple terms, P2P is a decentralized network where individuals can share resources, data, or services with each other directly. This means that there's no need for intermediaries like banks or middlemen, which can lead to faster and more cost-effective transactions. Now, let's get started with the 15-step guide to making money online using P2P in 2024. Here's what we'll cover. Step 1. Understand P2P basics. Familiarize yourself with P2P concepts such as file sharing, decentralized networks, and cryptocurrencies. Step 2. Choose a P2P platform. Research popular P2P platforms like Filecoin, IPFS, and MadeSafe, and select one that aligns with your goals and interests. Step 3. Set up your account. Create an account on the chosen P2P platform and follow the registration process. Step 4. Verify your identity. Complete identity verification to ensure a secure and trustworthy experience. Step 5. Choose your niche. Decide what you want to offer or share on the P2P platform. This could be files, data storage, or services like computing power or bandwidth. Step 6. Prepare your assets. Prepare your assets or resources for sharing on the platform. This might include uploading files, setting up storage containers, or configuring your computing resources. Step 7. Set your pricing. Determine your pricing strategy for the services or resources you're offering. This could be based on usage, time, or storage capacity. Step 8. Share your resources. Share your prepared assets or resources on the P2P platform. Make sure to follow the platform's guidelines and rules. Step 9. Monitor your earnings. Keep track of your earnings and monitor your account activity regularly. Step 10. Optimize your profile. Optimize your profile and listing to attract more users and increase your visibility. Step 11. Offer value-added services. Consider offering value-added services such as technical support or premium features to increase your earnings. Step 12. Leverage social media. Promote your P2P offerings on social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Step 13. Join online communities. Join online communities related to P2P and networking to connect with potential users and partners. Step 14. Stay up to date with updates. Keep an eye on updates and new developments in the P2P space to stay ahead of the curve. Step 15. Diversify your income streams. Consider diversifying your income streams by exploring other P2P platforms or monetization strategies. That's it for today's step-by-step guide on making money online using P2P in 2024. By following these steps, you can start building a profitable online business leveraging the power of peer-to-peer networks. Remember to stay informed and adapt to changes in the market. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.